really happy to be here and back behind a start gate at a motocross race. You know, to be fair, I've been chucked in at the deep end because it's the motocross of nations with the fastest riders in the world.
Feeling really good going into tomorrow. You know, I'm feeling healthy, feeling strong. You know, I've been riding a lot the last few weeks and been preparing on the sand. So yeah, ready to go racing.
Motocross of Nations, first race on the big bike, on a 450 bike, and it was alright on Saturday. I felt good, did P4 in the quali race. Today, Sunday, weather conditions very tough, raining all day. We can do improvements for next year. We know where we need to improve. We take the positive out of it, and there's a lot of positives, so I'm very happy.
Yeah, going 1-1 here at this event is something special, I can say. Also on the top step of the box with Team the Netherlands in front of our home fans it's been something you can't really describe.
You know, I worked so hard for this race. Because of the weather, they flattened the track, all three motos, and it was really like a gamble. So was still not too bad. Got second in my class, and as a team we won clearly with a big margin. So end of all, good weekend.